Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was down near its lows and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some good solid progress with the bounce. But that also leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounce, aka a fake bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at $7.50. So why is $7.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, so a bounce that's actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $7.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back here a little bit. So the price pulls back and then behaves in this manner right here before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous low down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps starting to make progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. If this bounce has any sort of chance of turning into some sort of actual reversal, it's got to be small baby steps. And in this situation, I am quantifying and defining that first quote-unquote baby step as $7.50. So the bulls have shown some signs of strength, but now it becomes that million-dollar question of, is this a true bounce or a dead cat bounce? Well, let's see if the bulls can start making progress or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.